Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are not gonna talk about perfume that I love, is brand new, I discovered and want to inspire you to try it out. No. Actually, I got a comment that it seems that I like every perfume out there, and believe me, it's not the truth, because there are so many perfumes that I dislike, and the reason why I don't talk about those fragrances on my channel is because I want to inspire you to try unusual perfumes, to smell unique and interesting and not mainstream. But you know what, I decided to pick top 5 perfumes that I dislike, discuss them in this video with you guys, and I thought for fun I will rate them. And these are not niche perfumes that you can't get anywhere. No. These are best sellers around the world, so I'm sure you have smelled them at least once in your life, and they are just very popular and I don't like them, so I'm very excited and I just really want to give you my reasons why I do not enjoy them at all. And I hope this video is going to be entertaining and chatty. We can get a nice discussion in the comments. Leave me a comment with your best-selling perfume you don't like and you don't understand the hype. And that's been mentioned. Let's get started. Okay, actually I'm getting super excited. And as I've told you, I rated this perfume. So we are gonna start with the number 5 perfume I don't like. And guess what? It is Le Mal by Jean Paul Gaultier, and I'm so excited about it because, you guys, probably every man owns it, right? It is a must-have according to so many reviewers out there, and I don't like it. And I mean, I don't hate it, I don't find it is a bad perfume. But the thing with this one is, it has been around since 1995. First of all, it is that perfume that everyone owns, that's why it is nothing unique, and even teenagers wear this perfume. So I mean, like, it smells manly, it smells cheaply sexy, and if I were like 13 I would say it's okay, but right now, I mean, like, you know, I mean, like, I smell it everywhere, and especially on very young men. So I think maybe if you're going for something very mass appealing and you want just one perfume and you want to be very sure and just don't care, maybe it's okay, but for me it's not. There is some note maybe that is cinnamon that is done too cheap for me, so I don't like it, but I don't hate it. So it is just on the number 5. Because number 1 I hate sincerely, and on this list I have masculine and feminine perfumes. So let's move on to number 4, and that is actually another men's cologne that is called 1 Million. Oh my god, you guys, I'm sure I'll get some hateful comments because these perfumes might be actually your signature scents. And I mean, like, if I don't like them, it doesn't matter, you shouldn't wear them, because you need to wear what you personally enjoy and not what someone else tells you. But guys, 1 Million, as it was launched, I mean, like, I hate it because first of all everyone was wearing it in Ukraine, in Germany. That was kind of like time when I moved to Germany. Even my stepfather wore it, and it was just so overwhelming. There is the note of cinnamon, some spices that are done wrong way to my nose. This perfume just like makes me want, you know, I don't like it, especially if you drive in a car with a person who wears it. Oh my god, that is the worst thing ever. I always need to open my window, and once again, you will smell this perfume on so many men. Like, I don't know, it is super beastly, and probably boys think that it is a great thing in the quality of a perfume, but if it smells bad, it is not that good. But, you know, it smells bad to me, so, you know, you can wear what you want. Anyway, we are moving to the feminine family, and you guys. Okay, let's move on to the number 3. And it goes to La Vie Est Belle by Lancome. It was launched, I don't know when, like a few years ago, and it has so many flankers because it was such a successful launch. And I have a feeling that Lancome started this trend with super sweet, powdery perfumes that are very strong and don't really smell that good. This is not a very bad perfume, but this sticky, sweet powderiness of it just really throws me off, because like I love powdery perfumes, but I don't like this one, and so many girls are wearing it. Like, I don't think that this is something that cool. I think that Lancome has better options. Maybe it is just up to date, but I don't like it because, once again, just too sticky for me, and just everyone wears it, so that really annoys me too. It is quite annoying, you know. It is so strong and the dry down is so bad. Like, in the first moment it's okay, but then the dry down is too annoying. Like, I wore it on myself one time and I couldn't get it off my skin. Now I'm actually super excited because I couldn't decide between two perfumes, but then I gave Angel by Mugler the second place. The winner goes to something else, but hey guys, Angel, like, let's take a minute. This perfume was launched in 1992, so it is an OG, and in the first moment the opening is kind of interesting and you're like, whoa, this is complex, this is actually cool. But then patchouli really overwhelms everything else, and patchouli is one of my favorite notes, but it doesn't work with the rest. And I mean, it is a legendary perfume, it is awesome, people love it, but the thing with this one is just so strong. I mean, like, it is too much, and almost no one can actually control it. So I have a feeling it doesn't matter how much you'll apply, it will overwhelm others. But actually my mom loves it very much. She has this huge body cream of Angel. I mean, like, the bottle is super cool and it smells like perfume. It smells just as intense, but it is better because with time it calms down. So I would recommend to invest in body cream because it's so luxurious, and it actually performs better than the perfume itself. So if you love Angel but you got to this response that there's just too much, try out the body cream. And she also told me that people do wrong thing thinking that it is an everyday perfume, and I agree with her, because I find it something special that should be worn to more special occasions like parties or birthdays, but not to work every day, because like your colleagues might not actually be able to smell and, you know, like to breathe when you're wearing it. Okay, so are you excited about my #1 perfume I don't like? I just want you to comment right now, what do you think that would be? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? #1 goes to Alien! That's right, Alien by Mugler is that perfume I cannot stand. This is the most headaching jasmine I know. Because of it, I don't like jasmine in designer perfumes. I find it smells very old. I don't like how it smells, but in the opening it has something addictive to it. The dry down is the worst part of it. So many people are wearing it and so many people apply so much, like they overspray and they go to work, and then I don't know, like all you can smell is this annoying, overpowering, overwhelming scent that just throws you off. I don't know. I don't like it, and I think that if you like it, please be careful with like how much you apply. That is just my only recommendation. And I mean, like, it is legendary, it is so recognizable, it is so easy to recognize. You smell it and you're like, oh, that is Alien. But I don't like it. I would never actually, you know what, never say never, because maybe one day in 10 years I'll be like, yes, Alien, I'm living for it, it's the best perfume. But right now, at this point of my life, no thanks, it's nothing for me. But you know what, taste changes, and that's a normal thing in life. And I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave me a comment with your perfume that is very popular, best-selling one that you don't like and you don't get the hype. And if you enjoyed watching this different kind of video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because I would be really happy to see you in my family. And that's all. Stay tuned, smell good, and we'll see each other next time really soon. Bye.